Hello, my name's Jordan, and Sam from Explore Your Senses has very kindly asked me to look at and review some of her sensory items. Today I'm going to be looking at the Touch and Squeeze Fun Time bag. Let's have a look inside. First up, we've got some multi-sensory gel. Shake it up and it squirts out like foam, but has a crackly kind of sound, and it's cool to the touch. A feast for the senses. There's also this UV pin pression. Place the pins on an item and they make an impression of whatever it's sitting on. The fact that it's UV too will make it so impressive in a dark den. This is a Squishamore. Squeeze them tight and watch them grow. Such a soft and friendly stress ball. These Popeye animals are always fun. This one's a Popeye Frog. Great for practicing the grip skills. There's also a Squeezy banana. A great stress relief. Really stretchy too. There's a squishy, spiky caterpillar. There's a traditional acrobat toy. Beautiful and wooden and very visually pleasing, proving that traditional toys can be sensory fun too. There's a scrunchy dinosaur, lovely to squeeze with lots of beans inside. I know lots of sensory dinosaur lovers that would like this one. These mesh balls are also popular. Give it a really hard squeeze and watch the colours go. Very visually pleasing and a great stress or anxiety reliever. There's also this rainbow orbit ball, lovely to squeeze and twist and fiddle with beautiful bright colours. Last of all, we have a Squeezy chick ball. Super easy to squeeze for children that don't have great grip strength yet. Make the chick make a funny face and make a funny noise. It's super stretchy too. What a bag full of touchy, squeezy fun.